Welcome to SolidWorks exercise. Today we are going to practice drawing this component, practice make improvements. So follow me step by step. Please comment if you have any challenge. Okay, let's start. So, new part. Okay. So for this component, we are going to start with this view here, which is a front view. So we are going to start with this here, this up here. So from here to here is 9. From here to here it is 30. Here to here is 24. Here to here also is 30. Here is 3. And from here to here it is 67. Here's 10. Here's the radius is 15. And the distance from this corner to this corner is 50. Okay, so we are going to sketch this and we will extrude it by 28 from this to this. From there to here 28. Okay, that is the first step. And then we are going to extrude this cylinder here by this. So from here to here. Then we are going to cut a hole here. Diameter will be 22.